Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to instantly capture Instagram leads in Google Sheets. So as a business owner, I am running some Instagram lead ads. And here basically my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instagram lead ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Instagram account where I'm running some Instagram lead ad, and I've also connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page named as Natural Glow Skin Care. So now basically here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Instagram lead ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply making a test submission. So here to make a test submission, we are going to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad with the help of lead ads testing tool by Meta. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page and my form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as the skin type, first name, last name, email and the phone number. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So let's go and check our Google Sheets, and here you can see instantly we have received a new detail in our Google Sheets where we have received the name, email, phone number and the skin type. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who are facing the same challenge. From others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly such as Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly email verification, Pabbly hook and Pabbly chart flow. So you can see one software with so many useful applications. So in this video we are going to integrate our different applications, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then here is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options, one is new beta and the another one is classic. So basically beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this classic version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So here we need to give a name to our workflow that says instantly capture Instagram leads in Google Sheets. So this is my workflow name, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as Google Sheets. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through my Instagram lead ads, so I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads and my trigger event as new lead instant. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account that I've already connected with my Instagram account. And here you can see authorization successful. That means we have successfully built a connection between our Instagram lead ad and Pabbly Connect. Let's move forward. Then here is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Natural Glow Skin Care. So I'm going to select that particular page over here. So I'm going to search for that page. And then here for the lead gen form, I have already created a lead gen form with the name Natural Glow Lead Form. So I'm going to select that particular form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Alright, so now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So with the help of lead ads testing tool by Meta, we are going to generate a test lead for our Instagram lead ad. But here before moving forward, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And it says your lead has been deleted. So now we're going to refresh our window, and that's a necessary step. So now here after refreshing the window, we are going to select our page once again, that was Natural Glow Skin Care, and our form. Then we are going to click on this preview form. So this is our form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So I'm going to select a random skin type. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the first name as Smart, last name as Lead, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. Alright, so I've successfully added all the details, and then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the skin type, first name, last name, email, phone number, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead detail through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my action event as add a new row. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. And then he's asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Instagram Leads. So I'm going to select that spreadsheet over here. And after selecting the spreadsheet, I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1, and then here's asking for the name, email, phone number and the skin type. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Let's move forward. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number, and lastly here I'm going to map the skin type. Alright, so these are the details, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new lead detail in our Google Sheets as a new row. So let's go and check it, and here you can see we have successfully received a new detail where we have received the name, email, phone number and the skin type. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Instagram lead ads and an action as Google Sheets, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically that lead detail is going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to instantly capture Instagram leads in Google Sheets. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. And also if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.